This Derma vacuum cleaner is a must-have. I got this at a very affordable price. One of the things I love about this, aside from mura, is the 5-meter longer cord. Abot lahat ng sulok ng bahay. May stainless steel handle kaya hindi madaling mag-rust at may lock feature pa. Para siguradong secure at hindi madaling matanggal. It comes with 3 interchangeable nozzle, round brush, flat nozzle, and yung floor brush with wheels. Madali din tong i-attach and sobrang convenient and easy to use. Talagang nakukuha hindi lang yung dust pero lahat ng dumi. It's lightweight kaya madaling gamitin, hindi nakakangalay. Use this brush with wheels sa carpet and sa floor. Para naman sa mga dirt na nasa singit-singit ng sopa o ng bahay. I use this flat brush. As you can see, sobrang strong ng suction nito. I use this round brush para sa mga duming kailangan mo ng kiskisin. Para siguradong malinis. You can use this vacuum as handheld o yung may stainless steel na rod. May HEPA filtration system din yung kanyang filter at madali lang ding tanggalin yung dumi. 1.2 liter na rin yung dust capacity. Affordable pa kaya i-check out mo na.